G'day and welcome to my boring channel. In this episode I make a mallet out of scrapwood, and as I'm sure you're probably thinking, I've not really come up with an original idea, nor have I reinvented the wheel. In fact, if anything, you're just going to watch me have a crack at something that I've not done before, using materials I've got lying around, because we're in a lockdown here in New Zealand, and I want to give it a crack. And as you can see from my efforts, this is it. A few things I'll change. It's first crack at it. I think definitely needs some sort of finishing oil or similar. Something I don't have. Waiting for the hardware stores to open. Also, sort of a couple of, I suppose it's a bit bright in it, but a couple of garks from some pretty ill thought out aspect of what I was doing. Sort of wish I'd put a bit more of a chamfer around all the edges. I thought I could get away with sanding it. I thought that would be just as sort of good, but as always next time, this was just a bit of a crack, bit of a first go at something that's a bit more intricate from what I'm usually up to, and something I just wanted to have a little try at, and I'm quite happy with how it turned out. It's something I'll definitely have another boost at over time, as I definitely have a bit of a hammer obsession. Yeah, this is your sort of thing. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Please ask any questions. I try and get back to everybody. And yeah, see you on the next one. Ta-da.